Welcome to everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the time concept. By knowing this time concept, we will know the difference in the time between two different places. We can take example Delhi and Melbourne. We are watching the live telecast of the test matches of India and Australia in the early 5 morning AM 5 AM. Here we have to also know that when the match actually is starting in Australia. So by knowing the time concept, we can know when the match actually starting in Australia. Before starting the time concept, we have to know certain terminology like rotation and revolution, etc. So first, now we will start about rotation. The Earth spin around its own axis from west to east direction. This is called as the rotation of the Earth. Due to this rotation of the Earth, day and night form. Again, As the shape of the arch is geode shape. As it is geography, we say the shape of the arch is geode shape. But mathematically, it is we can say it is oval or circular. And the Earth total take 24 hours to cover 360 degree. As it is a circular shape from the starting point to from the starting and it will again reach the starting point. It will cover 360 degree. So that's why the Earth take 24 hours to cover 360 degree. Again, in 1 hour, it will cover 360 by 24, which will be 15 degree. So the Earth is taking 15 degree. Sorry, the Earth is covering 15 degree distance in 60 minutes of time. Then the Earth will cover 1 degree of distance in 60 by 15, which will be 4 minutes. That is, the Earth is taking 4 minutes to cover 1 degree of distance. Now we will discuss about revolution, the concept of revolution. The Earth revolved in orbit around the Sun in 365 days, 6 hours, and 9 minutes. And the orbit is a elliptical path, meaning the Earth move around the Sun in an elliptical path. This is the elliptical path, which is called as the orbit of the Earth. And depending upon the position of the Earth in its orbit, the incident of the sun ray also differ from place to place. If we consider 22nd December, the sun rays directly or perpendicularly falls upon the Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23 half south. But again, when the Earth will move at 21st March, the sun ray will directly falls upon the equator. And when the sun rays directly falls upon the equator, the length of the day and night will be equal or same, and this we call as equinox. Again, when the Earth will reach the position at 21st of June, the sunlight will directly falls upon the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, and the northern hemisphere will experience your summer season. Again, when the Earth will reach at 23rd September, the sunrays will directly falls upon the equator, and the length of the day and night will be same. This is we call equinox. We are now in December month. In December month, the sunray is directly falls upon the Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degrees south. As we are in northern hemisphere, we are facing here winter season. But the people who are living in Australia, they are feeling summer season. As Australia is a southern hemisphere continent. Now we will discuss a very interesting thing. Now we are watching uh, summer Boxing Day Test, Gavaskar Border Test Series in Australia. That is a summer cricket game in Australia. But we are watching that match in India in a winter season. First, we have to know the longitude of the place of Australian Melbourne is 144.96 degree east, and our Indian standard meridian of time is 82.5 degree east. To knowing the difference of time, first we have to know what is the latitude difference in longitude, sorry, difference in longitude. 144.96 minus 82.50, which will be 62.46 degree. Then by knowing the difference in the longitude, we can easily find out the time difference. That will be 62.46 degree into 4, which will be 249.84 minute. That is approximately 4 hour and 16 minute. It indicates that the sun rises 4 hour and 60 minute earlier in Australia as compared to India. So, as we are watching the live matches from 5 a.m. in India, we can say in Delhi, but actually the match is starting at Melbourne 4 hour earlier. We can add that 4 hour. That will be 5 a.m. plus 4 hour and 16 minute earlier, which will be your 9:16 a.m., which is approximately 9:15. So the match it's starting is actually 9:15 a.m. So actually we are nowadays we are watching that boxing test which was in 26th of December from MCG, and fortunately India won that game. Thank you for this video. Hope this video will be useful to you, and stay tuned for our upcoming video. Thank you.